Alright, hey G-Fans, Godzilla 2014 here with another unboxing video. And today, I just got this stuff from Entertainment Earth. You guys know what's in the thumbnail and the title. So then, let's open it up. Bam! Alright guys, got this really cool blanket. It's a Godzilla King of Monster blanket, so yeah, this one's soft and on the back looks so cool, but it comes with Godzilla and Rodan on it. So that's a pretty cool blanket, so let's open it up. So the Surreal Entertainment, they were like, reveal any Godzilla merch, like this blanket, the shot glass or anything. So yeah, and that was pretty cool. There it is, guys. Look at this. This blanket was so soft, and it's very cool blanket. And it comes with Rodan, Godzilla, and all the way down there, and it says Godzilla King of the Monsters. So yeah, but that blanket made by Surreal Entertainment. Like I got shot glass, and now this blanket. But only Surreal Entertainment Godzilla merch only reveals the blanket, the shot glass, and the coin bank. And then the rest of them not released are the coastal set, the light up shot glass with a Godzilla mold, light up shot glass. We found the other merch of Godzilla from Godzilla King of the Monsters. So yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it that I show you guys about this Godzilla King of the Monsters 2019 fleece blanket. I just got this guy from Entertainment Earth, or you can get it at Big Bad Toy Store or Amazon. Go for it. So I hope you guys like enjoyed this unboxing video so much. For you guys, remember, stay with G-Fans. This is Godzilla 2014 signing out.
I was a kingdom's out of control.